Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. We are having kind of a red Friday. Not everything works out in our way, and I don't mean only Elrond. I mean Bitcoin dropped, Ethereum dropped, and we have the reason why. We know why, which I'm gonna show you right now. But before we start, I just wanted to tell you that if you could subscribe to this channel, if you like the content, I would really appreciate it, because we are so close to have the 1000 subscribers. And also use a VPN, use a browser which blocks your trackers and ads. And if you want to send me a message or a comment, just use the comment section under the video or send me a message on Twitter. All the links are in the description. If you want to buy a poster like this, many of you asked me. The site's name is redbubble.com. Okay, now let's see what happened. Well, Turkey bans crypto payments amid currency crisis. Yes, of course they ban crypto, because the currency's value, the Turkish lira, just dropped 15% in the last year, or maybe even more. So what is the best way, what is the best thing to do is to ban crypto, to avoid that people discover or find another payment option when they hard-earned money worth something. Right? Because this is the way, this is the government's way. Let's print out as much money as we can to cover the companies, to bail them out, and then get the money back from the people as taxes. And while the value of the money drops and everything feels more expensive, let's ban crypto, because people will put their money in crypto and therefore they don't spend it, so they pay tax 3-4 times per shopping, right? Because once you have to pay tax after your salary, and then you pay tax after your health insurance, and of course you pay tax on everything you buy. So I'm a bit worried and angry at the Turkish government, and I will show you what caused. Well, we have at Elrond held quite well, to be honest. We are still in this symmetrical triangle, so I still can see chances to break out in the upward direction, if not now, maybe a bit later. Bitcoin, however, had a huge dump, and by huge I mean huge for Bitcoin. 5% is to be felt everywhere else, and Ethereum, and I'm just angry because, to be honest, I had some leverage on Ethereum and I got liquidated, had an 8% drop. Now, I don't think that this will go on for a long time. To be honest, I do think that this will go away very fast, but I wanted to point out something for you, something very important. I don't know if you remember that I put these kind of arrows where I said that, okay, at the end of each month, the price starts to grow. Now I pointed out where were the 20th of each month, and this is where we had in January, we had a dump after that. This is where we had here. In February, we had a bigger dump. This is where we had in March, we also had a dump. So what I'm expecting now, I am expecting maybe a smaller dump, because we have a support here, and this dump right now, today, was not, let's say, in the charts. But maybe I will wait. I will wait a bit until I put some more Ethereum into leverage. To be honest, it hurt a bit to lose it like that, but it was a small amount, only for test, and I was willing to sacrifice it, and I did sacrifice that, yeah. On the other hand, I took out some profit on Bitcoin, so yeah, it's not that bad, not that bad. The same dates are Ethereum 20th of February and 20th of March, okay? And please consider that we had this huge growth, okay? We had this rally. We hit $2,500 new all-time high. So a consolidation is imminent. And if you're asking me how I lost my money, well, it wasn't FOMO, it was another stupid thing, and I will make a separate video about that. I'm just gonna tell you this advice: don't press a button you don't know what it's for, okay? So, well, everybody has to learn somehow. This is how I learned. Let's go forward. New SEC chief, Gary Gensler, and I'm not going to talk about him, I'm going to talk about his position to cryptocurrency. And while he didn't say that I'm all for crypto, he's open. Okay, he's not like our Janet Yellen, who said that crypto bad. Okay, he wants to protect the investors, of course, but because that's their job. He wants to make it as transparent as possible, but we know after the Italian hitman stuff that blockchain can be very transparent and exchanges can help the police. Therefore, I am happy that he is open to cryptocurrency and he is open to have cryptocurrency in the market. Okay, they are not like Turkey, and I am expecting Turkey to withdraw this after some time, after the nice people who are working in government buy some crypto. But it's just only my opinion, whatever. Grayscale has $50 billion invested in cryptocurrency, not only Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and they are the largest commodity ETF. So somebody who doesn't know what is ETF, I will put a link in the description, but just in short, ETFs are exchange traded funds. They are bought and sold maybe on the same day, not 100% sure about that. But what is important, in order to offer ETF to be traded with to other people, that company needs to hold that commodity. Okay, if you want to offer gold as an ETF, then you have to hold gold, and maybe gold was a bad example, but you get the important thing is that Grayscale is a big holder of cryptocurrency, and they are not holding only Bitcoin. They have Bitcoin 20%, Ethereum 7.4 billion, okay, billion not million, Litecoin 405 billion, ETC, Ethereum Classic, Bitcoin Cash, LivePeer, Filecoin, Basic Attention Token, Chainlink. They have a lot of, so they are shopping around, and at this point I believe they are already holding around $56 million, $56 billion in cryptocurrency. Their CEO, Michael Sonnensheim, said that we believe gold symbolizes the diminishing potential for sustained commodity price advances, notably versus Bitcoin. So they predict that the assets in Grayscale Bitcoin will be dominant over gold. Okay, and here is the graph. I just zoom it so you can see it now. This is where they put around May, where Bitcoin in Grayscale, the Bitcoin ETF will flip over the gold, so they will have more in cryptocurrency than in gold to offer ETF, and that is very good. When these big companies are in cryptocurrency, that just confirms that there is future. There is less and less chance that governances will push it down and regulate it too much, so it would be volatile. They are also counting on its volatility, so they can make as much profit as it's possible. This is all I want to talk about today. I'm trying to close this video short because I am ahead of a motorcycle ride. This was my 11th or 12th, maybe more, video in a row, and yeah, I will take a day off. Except if something big happens, then yeah, you can count on me. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe and press the like button. See you on Monday.